Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today I'm here to talk about episode number 13 of Higurashi Soutsu. We are finally here at the gun scene. Finally, after so long. I've been at it for since the previous season. Like since Go, I don't know which episode it was, but I've been just saying that we're gonna go back to that gun scene. We're gonna go back to that, and it just wasn't happening, and it didn't happen till this episode. So we're finally there. We're finally gonna start getting new content instead of just recaps. That's good, but that's gonna be next episode. And as I said in the previous video, that I don't have my hopes high for this episode in terms of we getting new content, and we didn't. So it's good that I didn't get my hopes up. So let's talk about the episode. So we see the scene again where Satoko kills Rika, that stomach scene. And I don't know if I've watched the what is it called? The censored version, because I watch it on YouTube, the Anyone Asia channel. I watch it there. And in Go, it wasn't censored on YouTube. But for this time, it was censored. So did they just upload the censored one this time, or that's just how the episode is? It is just a censored version only that exists. I don't know if you know, let me know. Just wanted to talk about that, since it's just weird because previous time I also watched it on YouTube and it was like uncensored, but now it is censored. So I don't know what's going on with that, but we saw that scene again. And before that, we see the scene where Keiichi was killing Rika, and when Rika told him, it's in my brain, go on and eat it. I was hoping to see a scene where Keiichi would try to do it, but they didn't let him do it. Why? Why? They could have just let him do it. Just let him eat. I know it's weird, like asking that, let a character eat somebody's brain after killing them. Yeah, it's weird, but it's Higurashi he wanted to see. I don't know. He wanted to see it, but they didn't show it. Nothing we can do about that. And it seems like the girl, I think so, that's Hani, right? Hani found the wavelength, that's what they called, to the other witch whose name I mean I've heard it, but I don't remember at all what her name is. So yeah, the other witch, the one that is with Satoko. So the Hani found her, and then she was I forgot the word again. Whatever it was, like Hania couldn't do anything. She just had to watch Satoko kill Rika, and she was like, don't let Satoko do it because Satoko is her friend. And to me, it also seems like at this point that Satoko just isn't in her right mind, right? Because that happened in the episode with Hojo, the Hojo episode where she completely snapped. So yeah, that's not Satoko anymore. And it seems like Hani also knew that, and either she knew or either she just believes that Satoko would never do this kind of thing. So it's the other witch controlling Satoko, and we see that scene, and at the end we see the scene where Rika buys the teddy bear to put in that box, and Satoko already knew because she had been pranked before just like this. But of course, Rika catches on it, and it's not just like Rika catches on that. She was also getting flashbacks of the night where Oishi killed her. Basically, the Hojo Tepe incident, she was getting flashbacks for that. So she kind of put two and two together, and she was like, yeah, Satoko, like, how did you know that? And then Satoko pulled the gun, and I was just waiting for her to shoot, but Satoko didn't shoot again, and they finished the episode. They're gonna save that for the next episode, it seems like. And like at this point, I'm not even sure if she's gonna like shoot Rika or not. Maybe somebody's gonna stop her, whatever, like who knows. But it's, and also like Hani was talking about the thing that will save Rika is a miracle. No, I don't know, is miracle a power, or is she just literally talking about literally the word miracle? I don't know, but it seems like we are back to the present and we're gonna get new content from next week. So thank God for that. And I really don't have much to say. Like it was just recap, but we just are back to where we left, and it's good that we are there. No more recaps. And in terms of like ending wise, there are 3 episodes left. Many people believe that we are gonna get another season. I hope so. Not because I don't like Higurashi, but this season kind of let me down a lot with the recap. Like for 13 episodes, just recap. So I would prefer for them to finish the story of course, without rushing it. But why would they choose 16 episodes, right? Randomly, why the hell would they choose 16 episodes if they were not sure that they were gonna finish it, right? Because 16 is a really odd number. So I believe that we're gonna see the ending of the story in these 3 episodes, which is possible. Like 3 episodes are a lot for an ending, you know. Those are a lot, because at this point Rika remembers every time when she comes back. So even if Satoko kills Rika right now, Rika will remember that Satoko killed her, and Satoko is also reincarnated. So it doesn't make sense to, you know, restart again and again. So I think so the battle is gonna happen in this timeline only. So that's what I believe. I believe so that the story is gonna end in these 3 episodes, and I hope so that it does. And I'm right, because as I said, I don't want to watch one more season of it, because I'm just like, this season was a disappointment. These 13 episodes, so like they were not that bad. They were still enjoyable, but just recap which we already saw in the previous season. So whatever, right? So that was it for episode number 13. Let me know what did you guys feel about it in the comments below, and I will be here for episode number 14 next week. So till then, have a great time. I'll meet you in the next one.